This piece of art right here, believe it or not, was created using AI, or artificial intelligence, and it is stirring up a conversation of what is considered art.
Welcome to Performance AI, where we provide you with the latest and greatest insights on emerging AI technologies. Today, we have a special treat for all of you art enthusiasts out there. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the world of AI art and showing you several ways you can make $250 a day with tools like Stable Diffusion, Midjourney, and OpenAI. These three powerful AI art tools are capable of generating stunning images from text prompts. Each has unique features, so it's important to choose the one that fits your needs. To learn more about these tools, check out our beginner's guide to AI art listed at the top right. Once you've logged into any of these tools, it's time to start creating art and figuring out how to monetize it. Here are some awesome ideas to help you get going. The first idea is, drumroll please, AI art content generation. Rather than selling it directly, you can use it to make engaging content, grow a following, and then make money as a content creator. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram Reels, and even Pinterest pay their content creators quite well once they reach monetization. You could also get brand sponsorships and run paid advertisements for brands that see value in your audience. So how exactly do you generate content with AI art? By posting pretty much anything you think people would find interesting. The best way to do this is to keep an eye on current trends and reinvent those in a way that fits with your AI art content. For example, there have recently been several viral Twitter threads and TikTok videos of people asking AI to display X as Y, such as, I asked Midjourney to turn X country into Y type of villain, or I asked DALL-E 2 to turn X cryptocurrencies into Y transformers. Posts like these have been getting a lot of engagement, and there are so many spins you can put on them. For example, let's say you want to make content about relaxing nature artwork. Ask Midjourney to create 10 pieces of artwork and add some relaxing music in the background to engage your followers better. All you need to do is research what content people like and work on growing your account. You don't need any special skills to create this type of content beyond knowing how to prompt the AI software and having basic video editing skills. A good ear for music also helps, although you could just use whatever sounds are trending at the time. Lastly, remember to post consistently and engage with your followers so your account can grow quickly. Our next idea requires some imagination, but if done correctly, it could be huge. It's time to open your own virtual reality art gallery. If you've ever thought about hosting an art exhibition or owning your own art gallery, you'll be glad to know that AI has made that much easier. Thanks to the metaverse, it's now possible to host people from across the world in virtual spaces and interact with them. As you probably already know, the metaverse is being used for many incredible things like meetings, court cases, and even art exhibitions. Many people want to see art, but don't have time to go to a gallery. You can leverage this opportunity by displaying your AI art in a virtual reality gallery. Once you have your art ready, all you need to do is choose the right metaverse platform. You have several options to choose from, such as CryptoVoxels on Cyber.io, Kunistmatrix.com, and Spatial.io. Do your own research to find out which works best for you and your target audience. These platforms allow you to display NFTs, AI pictures, 3D molds, and pretty much any other type of digital art. Once you set up your gallery, you can charge people to view your art. To get a wider audience, you could even partner with other artists you know. The best part is that it's very easy to set up, allowing you to host as many exhibitions as you have an audience for. Next, you could go the old-fashioned route and sell your art directly to customers. You could list your art on marketplaces like Etsy, create a personal website, or do both. The goal is to get your art in front of as many people as possible. Etsy, as a marketplace, has the advantage of a pre-existing market that you can leverage. However, they only allow AI art that has been hand-altered by an artist in some way. With a custom website, you can create a unique experience for your customers, and the only restrictions are those you set. However, it can be challenging to get traffic when you start out. To create an Etsy shop, simply create an account and fill in all the relevant details. Once your shop is set up, it's easy to upload images of your art and attach a price. It's important you do enough research before setting a price. For example, find out how much people are paying for similar work. For a custom website, you'll need a hosting service to create a website. Then you can set it up with a content management system like WordPress and upload all your products and their prices. You'd also need to set up a payment gateway to receive money from your clients. Once that's done, all you need to do is draw traffic to your page. You could do that by blogging about AI art and redirecting readers to your store. You could also join online communities or use social media to talk about your art and post links to your store. Once you make a name for yourself, your store will start getting regular traffic. Enjoying the video so far? Like this video and subscribe to Performance AI so you can always get the most out of your tech. Up next is auctioning your AI art at a traditional art exhibition. Yeah, we hear the art gatekeepers scoffing, but several AI pieces have already been auctioned. For example, a piece called Edmund de Bellamy sold at Christie's for an impressive $432,500 just last year. So whatever your opinions on what real art is, this is a valid way to earn good money. You could either auction your art virtually, maybe through your own virtual art gallery, or print it on a canvas and auction it at a walk-in art exhibition. The best options will depend on the type of art you're selling and your target audience. Metaverse platforms like Spatial allow you to display NFTs and sell them on the spot to guests. However, consider that the people who often spend a large sum on art prefer traditional art exhibitions. The key to making good money off your art auction is by hyping up the event. You can do this by contacting art influencers in your area and convincing them to talk about your exhibition. You can also partner with other artists so they can spread the word to their followers. Ensure you understand your audience well to know where to start the bid. Getting a good number of art enthusiasts in the room is important to stimulate healthy bidding competition. The best part about auctions is that your products may end up selling for much more than you expected. Another amazing way to make money off AI art is to build a merchandise brand that sells limited edition pieces to create scarcity. Brands like Supreme and Off-White do it, so no reason you can't too. It may take a while to get to their level, but you could start small and grow over time. The first step is to come up with a hype beast-esque name. If you can't come up with anything, ask ChatGPT for ideas. Then, use tools like Midjourney to design your products. This could be anything from shirts, hats, sneakers, to even sports accessories. From there, it's all a marketing game. You could use ChatGPT to get marketing campaign ideas and run them. If you're able to create the right feel around your brand, you'll start gaining loyal fans. You could also consider displaying your products at fashion events or getting high-profile people to wear them. Last, but certainly not least, is using AI art to build on a monthly subscription platform. This is simply getting people to subscribe to view your AI art. There are a bunch of ways to do this. First, you could open a subscription-based social media platform like OnlyFans or Patreon. Once people subscribe, they can view the AI art that you upload regularly. Another option is having a paid newsletter. You can create an email list of subscribers and send them periodic newsletters containing AI art. You could also mix up the content and add AI art creation tips or stories from artists that use AI. The best way to build an email list is to create valuable content on social media or blogs and convince people to sign up. A general rule of thumb with building on these subscription platforms is going to be picking a niche that you can dominate. Whether it's content on OnlyFans or a newsletter, make sure there's a unique spin to it, and always make sure you know who you're trying to target. So there you have it, 6 unique and lucrative ways to make money with your AI art. Which do you think sounds more fun, making a virtual art gallery or becoming an AI art content creator? Let us know in the comments. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Performance AI to always get the most out of your tech.